wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Oh, hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah! And welcome back to Dream Again. Do you know what this is? Do you know who it is? Well, he's a child, just like you and me. At least that's what he's being referred to. But we like to say Baby Yoda. Baby because he's still small, and Yoda because he comes from the same group of people like Yoda himself. And we all know that Yoda is one of the smartest people in the world. He has a lot of wisdom to share. Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to suffering. You see, kids, we all experience fear. Just last week, I was walking when it was very dark, and I was very scared. Have you ever been scared? And then, when my friend Benjamin jumped out of the bushes to really scare me, I was angry. I was so angry with Benjamin that I hit him back, just like this. I yelled at him, "I hate you! I hate you!" And I said this because he scared me and made me feel even more afraid. So I really hated him and didn't want to talk to him. And I hit him in the face. Then Benjamin had a bloody nose and my fist hurt because I hit him hard. We were both hurting a lot. We didn't talk to each other for the whole week and we're both suffering from that one event. So what does Yoda suggest? That we learn to control our fear and anger. You see, if I had controlled the moment I was afraid and controlled my anger towards Benjamin by telling him that it was not nice what he did, instead of hitting him and asking him kindly never to do that again, Benjamin wouldn't have a bloody nose and my hand wouldn't have hurt. So yes, we must learn to control fear and anger and sit down and talk. I don't know why Benjamin did what he did, so I could have asked him. If he said he wanted to just have fun and scare me, I could have then told him that it wasn't fun for me and he really hurt my feelings for making me feel scared. This way, both Benjamin and I could have talked about it, and we could have promised each other never to do it again. Now that's how we control our fear and anger and become better people. Right, Yoda? Ooh, and now he's using the Force. But there's a lot more we need to learn until we get to control the Force within us. So let's see what Noah and Olivia are doing. I believe they are going to teach us how we can make our own lightsabers.
Pow! 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 Woo! Oh! Hi, kids!
Hi, kids!
No, we didn't forget to turn on the light. We're actually doing a special episode on glow sticks!
Glow sticks!
I have my blue glow stick because I love blue.
And I have my red glow sticks. I love red.
And today, kids, we're going to show you how to do your own glow sticks.
Ooh, so you can be in the dark and still see something and not be afraid at all.
Exactly. So, but in order for you to see how we are going to do and make glow sticks, I'm going to turn on the light and let's go right into the items.
Okay.
Okay, kids, now that I turned on the light,
Ooh, it's so bright.
you can see us and we can see you.
Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
Woo.
So, how do glow-in-the-dark objects work? Do you know?
Magic?
No. There's...
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course I'm sure. There's always science to everything that we do.
What?
We've been doing so much science now,
Oh my
Olivia.
goodness! Are we doing science?
Yeah, we're doing science.
Science!
Science! Science!
Science!
No magic.
No magic.
Science.
For now.
Science means there's always a reason for how things occur.
Oh.
So, things that glow in the dark contain a substance called phosphor.
Ooh, what's phosphor?
Phosphor is basically a substance which is capable of radiating light after it has become energized.
Ooh! Like when I have a lot of energy and I bounce around, I'm like, woo, energy! Energy!
Quiet!
Oh,
That's too much energy.
sorry.
But yeah, that's exactly it. You get energized.
Yes, I do.
Especially in the summer when a lot of the summer sun hits you, you have even more energy.
So much energy.
Such substances first soak up energy for long periods of time, right?
Ooh, uh-huh.
And when they are exposed to light
Like this.
and subsequently radiate visible light in the dark.
Oh! Like the stick was doing before.
Exactly.
Wow.
So, do you know glow-in-the-dark toys?
Yes.
They're fun, aren't they?
They're amazing.
So what happens there, just to say it in a different way, the atoms in those materials...
Wait. I'm sorry, like our friend Adam?
No. Atom. A-T-O-M.
Oh, like the really small things are made up of, kind of like grains of sand.
Exactly. Super small, invisible to the eye.
Like teeny tiny.
Teeny tiny.
Okay, atoms.
Exactly.
Got it.
So these atoms,
Uh-huh.
when they are exposed to light,
Uh-huh.
they get super excited. Excited! Okay.
I'm so tired.
Yeah.
I was so excited. I was bouncing around, and then I got so tired.
And when these atoms in these materials, can I carry on or do you need a break?
I'm sorry.
So, when these atoms settle,
Like this?
exactly, and return to their normal energy levels,
Oh.
they emit tiny packets of light called photons,
Ooh, photons.
which make the object that contains these atoms shine.
Shine. Like a star.
Or a firefly.
Ooh, fireflies. Those are neat. What's a firefly?
It's a bug that has a luminescence, meaning they have that same photon that glows in the dark,
Uh-huh.
and they have that inside of their body,
Yeah.
and when it's dark, they glow in the dark.
Have you ever seen a firefly in real life, Noah?
I did.
Did you like it?
I do.
Wow.
It's so cool, isn't
It's
it?
so cool. Yeah, I love fireflies.
So, I think that's all that we're going to talk about today, about that part. How about we start with our experiment?
Yes, let's start with the experiment.
Olivia, why don't you tell the kids what we need?
Okay, first we need zinc sulfide. That's the stuff that comes in little powder, and it will glow in the dark after it gets energized.
Yeah, exactly.
Science.
Science.
Okay, and then we also need a test tube that's clean
Test tube, that's clean.
and a little bit of water.
A little bit of smart water, of course, for our smart kids.
So smart.
And
then-
some vegetable oil.
Yep, vegetable oil.
Just ask your mom or dad. I'm sure they will have some.
Yep, and you don't need very much.
Just a little bit.
Yep, just a little bit.
And then what do we do?
And then we're going to take and put the test tube part way full of water, halfway. And then we'll put in a little spoonful of the zinc sulfide. And then we put in the vegetable oil and we shake it up to excite all the atoms. And then,
once they is settled, it should glow in the dark.
yes.
And for that, we're going to turn off the light again, right?
Wait,
Oh, sorry.
one more thing.
Oh,
It'll also help if it gets to sit in the light for a minute.
of course. Why? Because it needs to get energized by the light.
Yep, the light gives it energy
Exactly.
for science. I have a lot of energy today.
I am noticing,
Yeah,
which is good.
good. Thanks.
Do you kids out there also have a lot of energy?
Yes. Science!
Science! We're always excited about science.
Yeah, science is so much fun.
So, how about you kids get all of your items together?
Yep.
We will put and place everything on our table here.
Uh-huh.
And we'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
To start to experiment.
Do science.
To do science!
Perfect.
Okay, kids. So, we need a test tube. We need our zinc sulfide glow-in-the-dark powder, some water, vegetable oil, and a spoon just like that. We have a glow stick which we might use just for us to see this better. But let's see. So first I'm going to take some water and fill the test tube up halfway. Then we'll take our scissors and open up our zinc sulfide. And we're going to take the end of the spoon, not the front, but the end of the spoon. And just take a little bit and put it into our test tube. Okay, and then put in the vegetable oil in a cup like this. And then pour it in there, halfway full. Just like that. Make sure it's very tightly closed so it cannot spill. And then we shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And we have a glowing stick. So, Olivia.
Yeah?
Thank you for turning off the light because this, kids, is my glow stick.
Oh.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's amazing.
And then, if you can help me out, if you can actually use your dark light and glow it on it, because then the kids can see it even more.
Okay, hold on. Let me turn it on. Boop. And then shine it on.
Whoa!
Ooh.
That looks amazing.
Whoa, I want to have a lightsaber like that too. Maybe Noah and Olivia will make one for me. In the meantime, I'm going to continue playing with Baby Yoda here. Or maybe... Oh, I also have BB-8. Or Yoda himself. Well, kids, I better go. I'll see you next time, and remember, control your fear and anger. Bye!
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!